Okay, welcome back, children. So, first we will learn the definition of reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a life process, or it is just a process by which the living organisms give birth to young ones of their own kind. The living organisms give birth to the young ones of their own kind. Are we clear with it? Life process is a process, reproduction is a life process by which the living organism gives birth to young ones of their own kind. Why the last sentence? If you are just telling that living organism gave birth to young ones, that is an incomplete statement. You have to write it as living organisms of their own kind, because a mango seed cannot give birth to a coconut tree. If I will sow a mango seed, a coconut tree will not grow. A mango tree will only grow. I cannot use the pollen grains of hibiscus plant to grow a jasmine plant. I cannot use a stem of a rose plant to grow a sugarcane plant. I cannot use the nodes or eyes of the potato to grow a onion. Correct. So the living organisms give birth to young ones of their own kind. If I am taking only examples of plants, let us take some examples of animals. Animals like a cat cannot give birth to a rat. An elephant cannot give birth to a tiger. A human being cannot give birth to some weird animal. Right? Every organism gives birth to the young ones of their own kind by the process called as reproduction. And this reproduction happens in two different modes. So the two different modes of reproduction are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. What do you mean by asexual reproduction? In case of plants, asexual reproduction can be defined as the reproduction that takes place without the involvement of seeds. That means the new plants are grown without the help of seeds. Okay. So if the new plants are grown without the formation of seeds, then it is called as asexual reproduction. And if the new plant grows with the seeds, new plants are generated by the seeds of the existing plants, then it is a sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is generation of new plants without the involvement of seeds, and asexual reproduction is generation of new plants from the seeds of the existing plant. Hope this makes you clear with the differences between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. We should have to take some examples. For example, if I will take a sugarcane, how is a sugarcane plant grown? Sugarcane plant does not have any seeds. A small part of the stem of the sugarcane is cut, the cane is cut, and it is sown in the soil. That grows into a new plant. And rose plant. A rose plant, a stem is sown in the soil. It grows into a new plant. We are not involving seeds over there, potatoes. Right? So their seeds are not involved in the process of reproduction. So it is called as asexual reproduction. But in case of plants like mango, coconut, guava, and all, the seeds are growing into a new plant. Right? So it is called a sexual reproduction. Seeds act as a reproductive part of the plant. Where are the seeds produced? The seeds are produced by the flower. The flower undergoes certain changes and the seeds are produced. We'll see that in the later part of the story in the same chapter. Okay, so this is all about today's discussion. Please watch the video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.